Hello everyone, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, then taking the left section of the hair, begin to make a braid out of it. Once you're done with this braid, use your fingers in order to loosen the sides of this braid as such. Finally, once you're done so, add a rubber band to the bottom portion, then take the right side of the hair, begin to braid this section as well. Now begin to loosen the sides of the braid once you have used your fingers. Now add a rubber band once more at the bottom of the hair. Roll this upwards, take the left side braid, insert it into the right side and vice versa. Join them both at the base as such. Tie a rubber band to it and then insert it into place. You may use decorative pins at the top in order to make it look all the more aesthetically pleasing. Next, we will start off by dividing the hair into two parts, taking one side of it, divide it into two parts as well. Twist one over the other and then wrap it up into a bun. Now do the same with the other side as well after you are done twisting it. Now tie a rubber band at the base of the hair as such. Insert one into the other and then insert the remaining portion of the hair into place. Now use bobby pins in order to fasten it in place as such. Once you are done with this, you may use the decorative pin at the top of it all. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back. Now, taking the right side section, add a rubber band to it as such. Add another rubber band to the left side section as well. Now, once you are done with this, tighten it on both the ends. Once you have done so, comb the hair through it and then taking the right side ponytail, pull it through the top left section and do the same for the left side as well. Intertwine it once more in the center as well in order to make it look like a braid. Take the extra portion of hair that is remaining, tie a rubber band to it at the base of the hair. Insert it upwards. After this, take a multiple prong pin in order to make it stay in its place as well. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back. Now tie a low ponytail as well. Afterwards, begin to take one section of the ponytail that you have created and then begin to braid it, making a fishtail braid out of it as such. Take two sections from either side and then make them interchange in the middle. Once you are done with this, tie a rubber band to it and then take the remaining portion of the hair that is left out and make another fishtail braid out of it. Now, once you are done with this as well, tie a rubber band once you reach the base. Once you reach the base, pull the right side braid through the right side and then pull the left side braid through the left side. Then use the decorative multiple prong pin in order to fasten it in a space. Divide the hair into three parts and then make a braid out of it as such. Once you are done with this, add a rubber band to the bottom of the hair. Once you have done this, loosen the sides using your fingers as such. Once you have loosened either side of your braid, adjust it as it needs to be and then roll it up into a bun. Before you do so, twist it up into a bun rather. Now use a multiple prong pin in order to fasten it in its place. Adjust it using your fingers. Use a decorative pin at the top of it all. Next, tie a ponytail out of the hair, add a rubber band to the base section of it. After you are done with this, make a division in the hair, twist the hair, and afterwards, after you have twisted it, roll it in on itself. Now make this into a bun and then use a decorative pin or a bobby pin in order to make it stay in its place. We have decided to start off with the bobby pin. Next, we will start off by gathering the hair together and twist it. After you have twisted it, take the excess amount of hair and then insert it inside. Adjust the hair as need be. On top of this, add a decorative clip to it in order to make it look all the more better. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, and after this, there will be a low ponytail made. Divide this low ponytail into two parts and then add a rubber band to the middle section of each of these parts. After this, roll the hair in on itself as such. Do this for both. Once you are done doing this for both of it, pull it through the top sections that are present. Join them both together at the base as such. Tighten it and then use a comb in order to do so. Add a rubber band at the base once more, roll it in on itself, and then wrap it around the buns that you have created. Thank you for watching.